If your Windows update fails because of an SSD problem, it's usually due to storage issues, damaged system files, or the SSD's condition. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you can go ahead and check your SSD's condition. Go ahead and search for command prompt and open it. Now type chkdskc and replace the C with your Windows drive letter and press enter and restart your computer. You can also use Crystal Disk Info, which is a free program to check your SSD's overall health. Now you can try free-upping your disk space. So delete the temporary files. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open the run command. Now type in %tim%, hit enter. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, then Shift and delete. Now select the box of do this for all current items, tap on skip. Now again press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type in temp, hit enter, delete all these files from this page, and again press Windows plus R. Now type in prefetch, hit enter, give administrative privileges, then select all these files and delete them. After this, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You need to go ahead and open your settings, tap on Update and Security, then select Troubleshooting Windows Update Problems from the right-hand side of the screen. Go through this Windows Update Troubleshooter and run the troubleshooter. Now try repairing the system files. Open command prompt on your computer, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. Wait for it to finish, and then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and wait for it to finish. Now restart your computer and try updating again. Also update your SSD's firmware. You can visit your SSD manufacturer's website like Samsung, WD, or Crucial and follow their instructions to update the firmware. And always remember to back up your important files if your SSD shows errors. If its health is very poor, consider replacing it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.